What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of the ClosetMaid 55300. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this thing, including one thing you should know before buying. All right, so we got this because, as you can see, it's for our daughter here, toddler, and we definitely needed to use more room in the closet. But it's really hard, unless you do like a custom closet thing, it's hard to get something that would actually work. This worked like a charm. As you can see, we have the dresses up here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 different shelves. We were able to get some organizers. Those are separate, by the way, but we were able to get some organizers and then another little bar here that we can hang more stuff on. In terms of putting this together, it probably took about a half hour. It really didn't take that long. You don't really need many tools or anything. It's really easy to put together. It just takes a little bit of time to do, but it's well built. I mean, all the, quality-wise, it's as sturdy as can be. We also liked a lot, specifically because this is our toddler, that it really anchors itself to the, the clothes rod here. And then also, here it has a nice kind of bumper for the wall. So we obviously, but it also anchors here. So we don't let our daughter run up to this and, yank on it or anything like that. But it's done a really, really good job for exactly what we needed. The shelves themselves, they are perfect for, I believe these are 12-inch cubes, so it had no problem fitting those precisely as needed. Really like that they didn't waste this right here. They could basically do away with that and just have it as one spot, but I like that they have that a lot, and we like that they have that a lot because it gives even more room to actually hang clothes. But for us, yeah, it's really, really good. We've had it now for, I'm trying to think, it's been like 2.5 years or so. It's done really a great job for everything that we needed. Definitely love it ourselves, and yeah, absolutely recommend if you are considering it.